The next thing I think we wanted to demonstrate was fabrics. There were a lot of people who asked about showing fabrics on the product. And so what we have here is we got 2 quilted pillows. Just to show you some contrast, I'm going to lay those out just so you can see the color contrast and how much detail can be picked up by the product and showing that. So as you can see, you should be able to see the stitch work. And I want to say that the fabric or the actual threads here are maybe 1 millimeter thick. I don't know what that is in inches.
Yeah. I don't know if it's, I don't know about inches.
But this is sort of that level of granularity or detail. You can even get lower and sort of see the actual individual thread work. And then same thing like last time, so see it's auto-focused. And you're seeing all the fibers come in and out with a lot of granularity and detail.
Right. I think the contrast is also very good in terms of like showcasing
the colors.
Yeah, the colors, and then even just the stitch pattern, right?
Exactly. So here you can see the underlying fabric texture as well as the stitched fabric. And apologies if we're not using the right term.
Neither of us embroider.
No, we do not embroider, but I have been making some products for my pet at home.
Embroidery?
No, like leashes and like
nice.
dog collars. But yeah, this was far more complex in terms of the intricacies. And as you can see, it's catching that with a fair amount of ease. And again, if not, you can adjust that autofocus and turn that into manual. But right now, it's that's it under autofocusing.